No new restrictions announced ahead of Easter long weekend, despite the premier arguing we could enter a dire situation for hospital capacity. Good evening, I'm Crystal Ladeiris. Another day of more than 800 cases, and Jason Kenney warning the fight against COVID could crumble within weeks.
But here's the blunt reality that we simply cannot wish away right now. In the race between vaccines and variants of COVID-19, the variants are winning.
Jason Kenney blaming Ottawa for delayed vaccine shipments, but won't budge on restrictions, saying public health orders are adequate.
And if they're not complying with the current restrictions, I think they're not likely to comply with additional restrictions. So the key thing is to get people's attention that the vaccines and the weather doesn't mean we're past this.
While urging personal responsibility didn't work in the past, that's still the plan.
With 8,600 active cases and a ratio of those cases at 6% end up in hospital, we know with great certainty that we will have close to 500 COVID patients in hospital just 2 weeks from now.
Kenney still saying vaccines are the way out. Ottawa had announced Pfizer is pushing up 4.6 million doses to June, and that could mean Albertans won't have to wait up to 4 months for a second dose.
As we complete those first doses and have additional vaccine supply, we will be offering second doses as soon as we are able to, dependent on that vaccine supply. So we'll just have to see how those additional doses that are coming in June allow us to begin the second doses as quickly as we are able to.
Kenney continued his plea to Albertans to stay with their households this weekend as we mark a second day in a row of more than 800 cases. The province reporting 875 new cases, 322 are variants of concern. 8,653 cases are active, with about 4,000 in the Calgary zone. The province reporting 4 new deaths for a total of 1,994. 292 people are in hospital, 59 in ICU.